Hello, friends. Welcome to yet another episode of Blockchain Inside Out. Today, I am going to discuss regarding one MetaMask news. That news has came up recently that MetaMask bridges now in portfolio dApp. MetaMask has launched this bridge dApp and portfolio dApp. You already know that in bridge dApp we can exchange our one token from one blockchain to another blockchain. Suppose from BNB blockchain to Ethereum blockchain, from Avalanche blockchain to Polygon blockchain, like that. So MetaMask also introduced this kind of bridge. We must use this feature. Why we will use this? We will make us eligible for the upcoming airdrop. Hopefully, we are hearing some news that MetaMask will provide airdrop. And if you make yourself eligible for that airdrop, you know that it could be a huge airdrop in MetaMask. So there are new features they have introduced. We must try out that. What is that portfolio dApp? I will obviously give you the link in my description so that you can click and go to that dApp directly. This is the portfolio dApp. Here you can check out your tokens. You just link your wallet or connect your wallet. You can see all the coins or tokens you have in your wallet, irrespons- irrespective of blockchain. You can see this is showing Matic, this is showing USDC, PVU, this is BNB, this is BNB coin, this is Ethereum, everything it is showing. Okay, so irrespective of blockchain, that portfolio will show you what the tokens you have. Right now, we are going to bridge dApp. How it will work, I'm going to discuss that. Here in Ethereum, I have few USDT. So I want to exchange on Polygon network the same USDT. So we can click the transaction. What I have already done, I am going to show you that here that transaction has its success. I have done 2 minutes ago, and you can see approved USDT token approval. So, and the gas fee or transaction fee, you can say that is very less, $1.33. Here in dApp, bridge dApp, they will choose you the best estimated gas fees. Right now it is $4.57. That time it was $1.33. Look, it's just minimized, just reduced from 4.57 to 4.40. So you can wait or you can try out at that moment, because you know that gas fees differs from time to time. So next quote, when the next quote will come, you can see it changes. Yeah, 4.224 right now. So it's reducing. This scenario, when this scenario happens, you can wait for a while. Oh, it has increased a bit. So it's your choice when you will submit the transaction, and that time what gas fees will be shown. You have to pay that much gas fees. That's all. So you must use this bridge functionality at least once. And another one functionality, hopefully you have already done it, that is swap. Recently I have used that swap functionality. What is this? In swap function, suppose you don't have USDT, you can use 0.02. You want to swap in USDT, and you can review your swap, how much USDT you will get. If you swap 0.02 Ethereum, you will get 24 USDT. And gas fees is like that, $4. that is 0.00327 ETH. So I would suggest you must use this swap functionality as well as this bridge functionality at least once, so that you make yourself eligible for next upcoming MetaMask drop. That's all, my friends. You can do any number of Ethereum, any amount of Ethereum to any amount of USDT or any token they are providing. If you click on swap, it will happen. So I'm not going to do that right now, as I have done this functionality. So I suggested you just try it. Thank you very much for watching.